Good day, grade 11 students, and welcome back to the video tutorial for the subject Earth and Life Science. This is again Sir RJ Olarve, and for today, we are going to have our new lesson and new branch of science, which is Life Sciences Biology. And as an introduction, I know that in your lower grades, you already learned that biology is the study of life, right? But in this course and in this subject, we are going to have a journey geared toward a deeper understanding and appreciation on life processes at the cellular and molecular levels previously introduced in grade 7 to 10 of your years. We will also apply basic chemistry and physics principles as we examine the transformation of energy in organisms. In this chapter, it presents the science of biology, which includes concepts that will expand your understanding as to why biology is important to humans. Before we start dealing with the cell as the basic unit of life, we are going to explore first the evolving concept of life based on emerging evidence that we have today. And as we go on in this course, may you will give importance to biology and its applications, make judgments or decisions concerning the use of biological advances, and lastly, gain further understanding and respect for life. And for the first lesson for life sciences or biology, we have chapter 1, biology. It's all about you. Okay, and to move, let's have first the different lesson objectives. So here at the end of this lesson, you are expected to have the following or to know the following. First is to know what is biology. Second, know the major branches of biology. Third is to know the new subdisciplines of biology or the modern branches of biology. Know the importance of biology. And lastly is to explain the different approaches in scientific investigations. And before we proceed with the discussion proper, let us have the preliminary activity entitled Let's Unleash the Inner Scientist in You. Okay, so here we have, I guess, 5 jokes about biology, and hopefully ay magets mo to at talagang pag nagets mo to, I tell you matalino ka. Okay, tawanan mo na lang kung sobrang corny, basta bawal ang KJ. So let's have a sample. Unleashing the inner scientist in us. So here we have a question. So what is blood's message to the world? Ano kaya ang blood's message to the world? The answer is be positive. So 5 lang to, pagbigyan nyo na ako. Okay, so let's have the number 1. So number 1 question is, what is the cell's favorite thing to do? Well, the answer is selfie. Next, question number 2. What did one cell say to her sister cell when she stepped on her toe? Naapakan yung kanyang toe. Anong sinabi nung kapatid na babae? The answer is mitosis. Selfie. Next, number 3. Okay, number 3 question natin. When organisms don't like rules, they blank. What do? Kapag ayaw nila ng rules, they protest. Ay, nako. Okay, second to the last, number 4 tayo. So, what cells do when they won a contest? Anong ginagawa nila pag sila inanalo sa isang contest? Wow! Ang sagot dyan ay, they celebrate. Tara, celebrate tayo. Ang saya talaga. Okay, so huli na to. Pagbigyan nyo na ako. Number 5 is, what cells used to communicate? Siyempre, alam nyo yan, no? Cell phones. Okay, so cellphones ang ginagamit nila. So, hopefully, medyo nag-enjoy kayo. Yung iba, nairita yata sa akin lalo nun sa kakornihan. Pero sabi ko nga kanina, bawal ang KJ. So, now let's have the lesson proper. And lesson 1 is entitled Introduction to Biology. So, don't forget to do the following. So, don't forget to take down notes. of the terms and definitions that were not included on your modules. And let's start. So first, let's have the question, what is biology? So biology, it literally means the study of life. That's why, as I've mentioned to you earlier, you have your prior knowledge. You have actually your knowledge that biology is the study of life. Second, okay, biology comes from the Greek words bios and logos. Bios means life and logos means study. That's why it is so called study of life. Logos and bios. Next, biology is also the science that deals with structures, functions, and relationship of living things and their environment. And take note also that biology or biological sciences is a broad field and may be studied at various levels such as molecular, cellular, organismal, population, community, or ecosystem. And traditionally, there are three major divisions of biological sciences. Wherein itong three na to, dati dalawa lang talaga yan, which are the microbiology and the macrobiology. Pero right now, it is three major divisions of biological sciences, which are first, the microbiology, which is the study of microorganisms. Second is the zoology, the study of animals. And the botany, the study of plants. So microbiology, macrobiology, the zoology, and botany. When we say macrobiology, you don't have to use microscope in order for you to view or to see that living organism. Instead, kaya mo siyang makita by your naked eye. While for the microbiology, you need to really use microscope in order for you to study and view the microorganisms. And traditionally, yan nga ang tatlong yan yung ating divisions of biological sciences. And these three, the microbiology, zoology, and botany, may be further subdivided into specialized branches that often correlate or overlap with one another, and that is called the traditional branches of biology. And we have the first one, okay, the table 1-1 shows the different traditional branches of biology or biological sciences. So first, we have the taxonomy. So taxonomy is the study of naming and classifying organisms. So take note, naming, papangalanan mo siya and ikaklasify mo siya saang ba siyang grupo, kabilang. And we also have the cytology, which is the study of structures and functions of cell. And we also have the embryology, which is the study of the formation and development of a specific organism. And we also have anatomy, which is the study of structures and parts of organism. And the physiology is the study of functions of living things or living organisms and their parts. Most of the time, anatomy comes with physiology, wherein as you study the structure and parts of the organism, you also need to study its functions. Next, we have biochemistry, which is the study of biochemical compositions and processes of living things. And we also have genetics, which is the study of heredity and variation. When we say heredity, this is the passing of a specific characteristic or traits from the parents going to the offspring. And when we say variation, these are the differences that occur on a given offspring. And we have the evolution, which is the study of origin and differentiation of various organisms. Ecology, the study of relationship of organisms with each other and their environment. And from this traditional branches of biology, because of the emerging and advancement of technology that we have, okay, so dyan na nag-arise na yung tinatawag natin na subdisciplines or the what we call modern branches of biology. Okay, and here we have actually table 1-2 showing the different modern branches of biology or biological sciences. So first we have the bioinformatics. So this is the study of biological data using computer programs. Genomics, the study of entire genetic material of an organism. Molecular biology is the study of molecules that make up the cells of living organism. Pharmacogenomics is the study of genes and how it affects a person's response to drugs. The proteomics is the study of the different proteins in an organism. Synthetic biology is the study of combined biology and engineering. Systems biology is the study of systems of biological molecules such as cell, organism, or species. So for now, that would be our discussion regarding the introduction to biological sciences or biology. And if you have questions regarding what I have discussed about the different branches of biology, traditional, modern, the subdisciplines, so feel free to contact me at any of my social media accounts. So see you on our Zoom meeting this week. God bless grade 11.